Hi guys, this is Tracy from Lavinia Stamps and I am here to talk about our brand new collection of stamps. We have 18 stamps in total. We've got a lovely doorway, which I've designed 2 inner doors to go with these, which just gives you a different feel to this doorway each time. It's actually quite nice just even coloured in black completely, or in some cases some of the DT have done a scene behind as well, which looks absolutely fabulous. So do check out that gallery from the DT. They've done some amazing work as normal. So I'm just quickly going through a few of these stamps here. We've got a lovely verse as well. So embark on an enchanted journey, explore the magic within. A forest gateway to a new beginning. Just believe, dream and walk in. Wisdom, knowledge and acceptance will always set us free. The way to find forbidden secrets is look hard and find the key. So that's a lovely little verse that goes with the stamps, all about a doorway to a secret garden, and the verse just works really nicely with that. So we've got our lovely little cat here, comes up quite small, but perfect for the doorway, perfect for sitting under a mushroom. And we've got some tall, really nice and tall toadstools here. And what's nice about these is that you can actually bend them either way. I think Emma Jo's done a really nice video of how much you can actually bend the stem on that. So it looks like it's actually coming off a trunk of a tree. So look out for that, what Emma did with those. And we've got our lovely corners here. Oh, we've got some more mushrooms as well, forgetting those. We've also got, yeah, our lovely corners. So these I designed because for me, when I'm designing a card, I always like to bring depth to the edges. And sometimes it can take a little bit of an age to get around with all the ink, you know, bringing that depth in over and over and over, which is great. You can do it that way. That's not a problem. I've done that for years. But these are great as a starting point to actually fill in those corners, giving you immediate depth, and then just enhancing it by bringing a little bit of colour over the top. And I have so enjoyed working with these. They make making a card really quite easy and quick, because we're always short for time these days. So to be able to make a nice quick card that looks fabulous, you can't go wrong with these guys. So yeah, so I've got a very large one there, and of course you can just put it on the one corner. You can put it all on all 4 corners. It's entirely up to you. You can use each one for a different corner. So you've got 4 different choices here of corners, and they work so that, you know, you can turn them around obviously, and you can stamp them whichever way you want. So those are worth looking out for as well. So I've got a small one here as well for those of you who like to just do little cards, you know, little bookmarks and things like that. I think these work quite nice as well, the small ones. So, and of course we've got some fabulous new minis as well. I know that so many of you have been asking for some new minis, so there we go. That's the collection, all 18. So keep watching. I'm going to do a very quick demo now, using some of these brand new stamps. Enjoy.